Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you job opportunities, like very new job opportunities. These job opportunities are new, so fresh, they were just posted. So I'm just bringing it to you so you can be among the first to apply for these jobs, okay? And these jobs have visa sponsorship, they have relocation package, some have accommodation, some are going to pay for your flight. It's really amazing, and they are in different occupations. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you many jobs in this video in different occupations, so you may want to watch to the end so you can see the opportunities I'll be sharing in this video. If you're just meeting, my name is Jackie. You're welcome to the channel. Do subscribe so you can be seeing more videos like this, and also give this video a like, that is a thumbs up, so this video can reach people that really need this information, and also share the video with others. I want to thank everyone that shares my videos. When I talk to some people, they tell me, oh, someone shared your video with me, my sister, my uncle, a friend. I'm always so proud of my subscribers because you guys share my videos a lot. Thank you so much for that. And do continue sharing the video so we can help as many people as possible. And if you want to talk to me privately, you can do so by sending me an email, and we can talk about your personal needs as regards your relocation goals. All right, so let me show you these jobs real quick. So here I have very new job adverts. These were posted today, March 23 of 2023. All right. So there are different occupations, and most of these jobs don't require, a degree, and they don't also require much experience, right? So let's just see them. For every job here, there's an email address where you're going to send your application to. Do not send your application to me. I'm not the one employing. I do get a lot of emails from people sending me their CVs. I'm not the employer. I only saw the jobs online. There's an email address on every page where you're going to send your application. I am not the employer, please. Okay, so this is a roofing contractor. They're looking for a roofing contractor here. Salary is $35 per hour. And here you have it, no degree. What they are looking for is secondary school graduation certificate. And as work experience goes, 7 months is okay. So these are the tasks for the job: supervise workers and projects, coordinate and schedule activities, train or arrange for training, estimate costs and materials, ensure health and safety regulations are followed, recommend personnel actions, read blueprints and drawings, requisition or order materials, equipment, and supplies. So you're going to be supervising 3 to 4 people. And now this is the email address to send your application to. I want to say it again. I am not the employer. I am not hiring. I don't know these people. I just saw them online. So send your email, your CV, and your cover letter to this email address right here, please. This is the email to send it to. Next up is a working sous chef. And let's see, 44,000 to 46,000 annually. And there's still room to negotiate. And you'll be working for 40 hours per week. So what they're looking for is other trade certificate or diploma or equivalent experience, right? So it's either you have your certificate or you have an experience to speak for you. So they're looking for 5 years experience for this. And these are the responsibilities. And you're going to be supervising 5 to 6 people. A sous chef typically supervises other chefs, right? So that's what the job is about. So you need your cook trade certificate and you need your food safety certificate. Now for the cuisines, Canadian and international. All right, so they're going to undergo a criminal record check, right? And then they have benefits here: benefits, dental plan, disability benefits, health care plan, paramedical services coverage, and vision care benefits. And you're also going to be getting gratuities as well. Then there's also group insurance benefits, life insurance. There is free parking, there is on-site amenities, on-site recreation and activities, and then wellness program. This is so loaded. So if you want to apply, do that by sending your application to that email address up there. So they do have how to apply instructions. Here is what you must include in your application: your cover letter, references attesting experience, proof of the requested certificates, proof of the requested certifications, rather. Okay, so that's what is needed. You send it here to this email address provided. Okay, again, don't send it to me. I'm not the one hiring. Another here is a roofer helper, salary $20 per hour, and you'll be required to work for 40 hours per week. So they have three vacancies for roofer helper, three vacancies. So they need more than one person. They don't need any education and they don't need any experience. They say they will train. So these are the tasks here. So look at it. If it's something you can do, then you go ahead and send in your application. So this is the email address to send your application to. All right. So some people tell me they can't see the email address. You need to increase the quality of your video on YouTube. Just increase the quality so it could be clearer on your device. Okay. Next up, sales associate. Sales associate. Two vacancies for this. And no degree, and they will train. So this is another job where you don't need an education and you don't need experience, right? So that's just it. So the role again is sales associate. So these are the tasks. So basically, they're saying anyone can take up this job, but even though they said they're going to train, they don't need experience. People with experience are going to apply for these jobs. So it's going to be highly competitive. So try to at least have some experience and skills for every job you're applying for, even when they say they don't need experience or education or any of that. It's always good to be very valuable because you're going to be applying alongside other people who could be more experienced than you are. So just have a very good CV. So this is the email address to send your application to right here. Send your application to this email address to apply for this job. Next up is a fabrication welder. So I'm going to try to be fast because I still have a lot to show in this video. Fabrication welder, no education, experience, they say is an asset. So let's see, can you do this? These are the tasks here. And then, more details. So for benefits, they have dental plan, disability benefits, healthcare plan. They have vision care benefits, group insurance benefits, life insurance, long-term care insurance as well. So do send your application and ensure you include your cover letter to this email address right here. All right, next up, cleaning supervisor. So if this is something you can do, go ahead and apply. They do require experience, 7 months. So you can see the task. If you have the experience to be a cleaning supervisor, then by all means apply for this job. Parking is available. So here is the email address to send your application, right? So send your application and include your cover letter. They say you must include your cover letter while applying. All right, so next up here is housekeeping attendant. $16 per hour is a salary for 40 hours a week of work. And they do require that you speak French. So if you know how to speak French and no degree, no education requirement is needed, and 7 months experience is needed for this. So if you know how to do housekeeping, then you can apply for this, right? So here is the email address to send your application to. So you can apply here to enter for this job and do include your cover letter, very important. So the next step here is for body piercer, other trade certificates or diploma is needed. So you need to have your certification, your credentials to be a body piercer. And they have here certificates, licenses, memberships, and courses, bloodborne pathogens training. That's very important. So if you're a tattoo artist, then you can apply for this. Next up here is a food counter attendant. Food counter attendant. So they need 3 vacancies for this job, and secondary school certificate is enough, and they said they'll train. So these are the tasks if it's something you can do. Keep records of the quantities of food used, package takeout food, portion and wrap foods, amongst other things. And this is the email address to send your application to. So you should send your application as soon as possible. These jobs were posted just today, so they are new. So it's good you're among the first set of people to send in your application. Okay, so that's all for this video. I'm going to be sharing more videos to show you more job opportunities as they come up. So I'll be doing my research to show you the best possible jobs out there that have visa sponsorship. So do give this video a like, that is a thumbs up, and also share it with others so they can take advantage of these job opportunities as well. And do subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.